Mnangagwa succession battle turns ugly. Panguva ino panapa pane mashoko ari kuda nyoka achinzi pane inside plot to neutralize our vice president Constantino Chiwenga. Pari kubuda pachitogwa mashoko atikona kubuda the Standard newspaper ari kunzi panguva ino pane a cabinet reshuffle iri kuda kuitiwa, iri kuda kusara yakawikena our general Chiwenga ndokuba subscribe kapa or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina pano paMustandard anoda nyora achiti President Emmerson Mnangagwa is mulling a cabinet reshuffle that could leave the deputy Constantino Chiwenga severely weakened amidst a raging succession war in ZANU-PF. It has emerged Chiwenga has become a target of various attacks by Mnangagwa's loyalists who accuse him of eyeing his boss's position. ZANU-PF's spokesperson Christopher Muchangwa brought the ugly infighting to the fore recently when he was recorded attacking the former army commander and allegedly seeking the 82-year-old ruler's anointing to the Zimbabwe's next leader. Muchangwa, who is said to be harboring presidential ambitions of his own, said this controversial plan to extend Emmerson Mnangagwa's rule to 2030 was a plot to block Chiwenga from becoming the next ZANU-PF leader. It has since emerged that high-level consultations have been ongoing to configure Mnangagwa's cabinet, which has been tweaked several times since the 2023 elections. ZANU-PF insiders said Sports Minister Kirsty Coventry's election last week as president of Olympic Committee had opened the gap for the reshuffle. Tomashwa muda toko parapa awane writers in the Standard newspaper uri mashwa chita aiwa panguva ino a reshuffle aiwa yava pedo patikona this reshuffle iruda kurasa aiwa ma allies ema loyalist a General Chiwenga kuti vasara vari weekend zvatikona kuti aiwa these guys they are trying to eliminate General Chiwenga kuti vasa succeed mutungamiri wenyika. That's why they that's why they brought up this 2030 agenda. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi patikona aiwa nemamwe ma issues ationa ana Kirsty Coventry vari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa vakakunda aiwa muma elections aiwa kuma Olympics uko, now she's the presidency. Ndo another issue ya contributor. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.